Hi, today we are looking at a hand-operated hydraulic pipe flaring kit from Jimy tools. The kit includes dies for 45° single and double flares for 3/16, quarter, 5/16, 3/8 and half-inch pipe. Also push connect flares for quarter, 5/16 and 3/8 pipe, plus GM push connect flares for 5/16 and 3/8. Metric bubble flares for 4.75, 6, 8 and 10mm pipe, also GMTC 3/8 inch flares. Let's try an ISO bubble on 6mm pipe. Select the appropriate dies for the pipe. Finger tighten the clamp bolt. Use the OPO punch to locate the dies and set the pipe protrusion. Close the valve and pump up the ram. Release the pressure and remove the punch, then insert the forming punch for an ISO 6mm bubble. Pump up the ram until it bottoms out, then release the pressure. Remove the dies and inspect the flare for cracks or defects. Next we'll try a quarter connect flare. Same as before, select the appropriate dies, place in the holder and do up the clamp finger tight, then set the protrusion. Tighten the clamp, put in the connect forming punch. Keep pumping until the ram bottoms out. The connect forming die may jam on the pipe. A little bit of oil in the forming die may help. Next we'll do a double flare on 3/16 brake pipe. Double flares are a three-part operation. First you set the protrusion with the OPO punch, then you use the OP1 forming punch and finish the flare with the OP2 forming punch. Next we will try a double flare on half-inch pipe. With the larger pipe sizes, use a 17mm spanner to tighten the clamping bolt. The flare for cracks or defects. Thanks for watching.